Welcome to New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. I'm your host, Sue Pets, and I created New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast to share how you can transform your business from challenge to triumph. Yeah, my journey from zero sales to consistent daily revenue, and now without me being involved into my business, taught me that success is a decision. And now I empower entrepreneurs like you to break through barriers and build thriving businesses. Yeah, I have yeah, three steps wherever you want. You can join. For example, first one is Rapid Revenue Blueprint. It is a fast track for monetizing your digital products, combining AI and spiritual insights for quick and effective results. And I also give ready-made digital products if you don't want to create your own. When I got started, I was being told that you can see real money only after 3 years. I didn't like that. That's why this is the Rapid Revenue Blueprint where you can see money coming within 90 days. Then Passive Empire, where at some stage people want to minimize their time commitment into business and they want the money to be coming passively and automate your business, delegate your daily task, and just see with your minimum involvement how you can have consistent flow of income with ease. Lastly, infinite prosperity. Unlike yeah all other businesses, here we are teaching you can achieve success in each and every area of your life. You can have success in all positive areas of your life, blending strategic action with spiritual growth. So, my system of leveraging ready made digital products and AI custom GPTs is designed for immediate impact. Follow my clear step by step instructions, launch your digital business successfully without technical stress. All obstacles are removed, and how we'll find out more through our podcast. So, welcome and listen to again another great upcoming episode.
All right, welcome to this explainer. Let's jump right on. Today, we're literally transforming your expertise into a profitable digital product, and we're doing it in exactly 1 month using the power of AI. If you've been sitting on a goldmine of knowledge, but just, putting off the actual creation part, you are in the exact right place. Seriously, just imagine this for a second. What if your digital product actually launched next month? Like it's out there in the real world. If the whole building from scratch thing has been leaving you totally overwhelmed or strapped for time, well, take a breath. We're going to walk through a super actionable roadmap that completely demystifies the whole process. We're going from a totally blank screen to a revenue-generating asset in just 30 days. No fluff, just steps. Okay, here's our game plan for the next 30 days. We'll kick off with the AI launch advantage, move into week 1 for research and validation, hit week 2 for AI-powered creation, week 3 is all about building marketing assets, week 4 is the official launch, and we'll wrap up with strategic pricing and formats. Starting right at the top, Section 1, the AI launch advantage. Before we start the clock, we really need to get clear on how AI acts as your ultimate co-pilot here. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Look, AI gives you incredible speed. We're talking 10 times faster drafting, instant idea generation, rapid visual design. It does the heavy lifting. But your irreplaceable human touch, that is the secret sauce. Your personal stories, your specific audience insights, and your quality assurance, that's what actually gets people to pull out their credit cards. You hand off the tedious stuff to the AI so you can focus 100% on adding unique, undeniable value. Moving right along to Section 2, Week 1, Research and Validation. Let's start the clock. Week 1 is completely dedicated to making sure you're building something people actually want to buy. Because, hey, skipping this means building a product to crickets, right? We walk logically from day 1 brainstorming to day 2 competitor analysis, finding out what they're missing. And by day 3, locking in exactly who your customer avatar is. The goal? By day 7, you've got a rock-solid, data-backed foundation and a comprehensive product blueprint totally mapped out. And to get you off the ground on day 1, use this exact prompt. Seriously, screenshot this in your mind. Act as a digital marketing strategist. Give me 15 profitable niche ideas for digital products in your broad industry. include audience size, spending habits, and trending products. This instantly compresses what used to be days of manual, agonizing brainstorming into literally seconds. By asking the AI to factor in hard data like spending habits, you totally bypass generic junk and get immediately actionable, highly profitable starting points. All right, Section 3, Week 2, AI-powered creation. This is where your idea turns into a real, tangible asset. And the best part? You no longer need to be a tech wizard or have a massive budget. This toolkit right here is your new best friend. You've got ChatGPT, Claude or Jasper for text, Midjourney or Canva AI for stunning visuals, Descript and 11 Labs for audio and video. You name it. This specific stack lets you produce incredibly high-quality materials at record speed. It's like having a full agency team right on your laptop. Now, when you're actually drafting the text on days 8 and 9, here is a massive pro tip. Do not ask the AI to write the whole product in one go. That's a recipe for generic rambling. Instead, use this specific prompt and break your request down chapter by chapter. Feed it your week 1 outline, one module at a time. This keeps the AI focused, completely prevents those weird AI hallucinations, and gives you a drafted module with an engaging, practical tone. After that, it just needs your personal polish. Now, onto Section 4, Week 3, Building Marketing Assets. Your product is built, so now we need it to look incredible. And check this out, 80%. Maintaining consistent visuals across your product and marketing can actually increase brand recognition by up to 80%. That is huge! When your product mockups, your sales page, and your Instagram posts all share the exact same colors and fonts, you're building immediate subconscious trust. You look like a true professional. With the visuals locked, you need killer sales copy. This step-by-step structure is the literal anatomy of a high-converting page. It's a psychological journey. First, hook them with a headline that calls out their biggest pain point. Then, amplify that problem so they feel truly seen. Next, introduce your product as the ultimate solution. But, and this is critical, focus entirely on the life-changing benefits, not just the features. Finally, back it all up with real social proof and a super clear call to action. Boom. We made it to Section 5, Week 4, the official launch. It is go time, but momentum needs to be built strategically. Look at the timeline. Starting on day 22, you run a soft launch. This goes out to friends or a small segment of your audience to iron out bugs and grab those early crucial testimonials. Then, day 25 is the main event, your official launch. You hit your email list, your socials, everything at once. You spend the final days amplifying that with behind-the-scenes content and optimizing based on the live data coming in. Finally, Section 6, Strategic Pricing and Formats. Let's talk money, because a massive trap for new creators is way underpricing their work. Please, do not sell yourself short just because AI helped you build it faster. This breakdown shows the sweet spots. Templates around $9 to $29, ebooks up to $39, mini courses pushing $99, and full programs stretching from $97 up to $500 or more. If your digital product solves a painful problem, it commands a real price. People are paying for the solution, not the hours you spent typing it out. And to really maximize your revenue, you've got to offer options. By using tiered pricing, like a basic, premium, and VIP package, you instantly capture entirely different types of buyers. Plus, consider value-based pricing. If your template saves a busy freelancer 10 hours of work a week, price it based on that massive ROI. Slapping a VIP tier on there with maybe a bit of personalized support is an absolute game changer for boosting your average order value. Oh, and if you're sitting there thinking, I don't even know what to build yet, these emerging categories are red hot right now. Custom AI prompt libraries, step-by-step AI workflow systems, AI-enhanced templates. These solve specific, high-value problems. They're incredibly profitable because buyers basically get to skip the steep AI learning curve entirely and fast-forward straight to the results. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought from our source material that really hits the nail on the head. The best time to launch your digital product was a year ago. The second best time is today. Honestly, the tools are literally at your fingertips, and the roadmap is crystal clear. You've got the strategy and the ultimate AI copilot ready to go. So here's the real question. In a world where AI lets absolutely anyone create at lightning speed, what totally unique, irreplaceable human experience are you going to infuse into your product to make it unforgettable? Let's get to work.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. As a full-time project manager and dad of two, I was skeptical about fitting another business opportunity into my packed schedule. But this system was different. The ready-made products meant I didn't have to create content from scratch. And the step-by-step implementation meant I could make progress in 30-minute chunks after the kids went to bed. I launched my first digital course in 3 weeks of evenings and weekends, and made my first sales within a month. This is the first program that worked with my real life. James T., project manager and side hustle entrepreneur.
Hello, your journey continues. Thank you for tuning into New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. We are blessed to have you in our community. I hope today's insights inspired you for your next breakthrough. So, any resources mentioned over here, just reach us through email and we will make them available to you. And if you want other free tools which are available on our website, you can ask for those free tools too. We will be happy to provide you those free tools. Those free tools can be for Rapid Revenue Blueprint or Passive Empire System. Please reach us out via email. Your journey to infinite prosperity begins now. And thanks for being part of our community. And if you want us to make any changes, please let us know. Or if you want any more topics to be covered, we will thrive to consider those topics into our upcoming podcast. We just like to serve our audience. That's our goal. So please like and review our podcast. Your input is very, very important. Thank you. And